Imagine a world where you're not a slave to your kitchen, where the ketogenic diet isn't a challenge, but a joy. That's the world Instant Pot Keto has created. It's not just a digital ebook, it's a revolution in the way we approach the ketogenic lifestyle. Picture this. You're in your kitchen, your Instant Pot humming quietly in the corner, and you're free to enjoy life. No more hours lost to meal prep, no more stress over macros, just delicious keto-friendly meals ready in minutes. That's the Instant Pot Keto promise. But don't just take our word for it. Listen to what our satisfied customers have to say. Instant Pot Keto has been a game changer for me. I've lost stubborn fat and gained so much more energy. Plus, the recipes are absolutely delicious. Customer 1. I used to struggle to stick to keto, but with Instant Pot Keto, it's never been easier. I'm saving time, enjoying my meals, and seeing real results. Customer 2. Instant Pot Keto isn't just a product, it's a lifestyle. It's the secret key to unlocking effortless fat loss and vibrant health. Are you ready to join the revolution? Are you ready to transform your life with Instant Pot Keto? Click the link below and start your journey to a healthier, happier you today. Don't wait. Embrace the power of Instant Pot Keto and say hello to a new, healthier you.